What up, y'all? It's your boy Heck to the Tech to the Get That Check. Today, I'm about to have some. It's called Raices Boricua. Boricua Roots is the name of the spot. And guess what? They gave me no forks or nothing. Meanwhile, I put it in there to give me forks. How they expect me to eat this with my freaking hands? Shoot. I'll be right back, y'all. So yeah. So I had to go to the Chinese spot to get me some napkins, some spoons, some forks. I hate it when they don't give me nothing, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's really annoying, B. So we got some beefsteak encebollado. This is Raices Boricua. Boricua roots. You know what I'm saying? Got some beans too. Put some hot sauce in the bag. Know what I'm saying? So what up? I got a water. So what I pretty much got was a beefsteak encebollado, which is pretty much steak with onions, plantains, white rice. Puerto Rican style, you know what I mean? This is what I talk about. This is what I talk about, food, boy. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that meat right there. Look at that meat. Look at those onions, boy. I know you're getting hungry. Look at these onions. Onions are so healthy for you. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Spanish food is the best food ever. The white rice. So a lot of these mother humpers don't like the way I chew, man. It is what it is. I'm over here. So basically it's so hot that my phone keeps turning off, but let me show y'all what I'm working with right now. Boom. Got some beans in there, some plátano maduro, some beefsteak encebollado, and some white rice, and my water. I had to put the phone down here. You know what I mean? Hopefully the sun ain't too attacking it too much. You know what I mean? Let me put the heat on. Let me put the AC on blast, because this is just too much. Facts. Let's try these beans out. Yo. I thought I got beans on me. Anyway, these beans are freaking amazing. Amazing. Shout out to Raices, Boricua, located in you know what? I have no clue. Y'all gonna have to Google it, because I just ordered it. Homie dropped it off. Even homie who dropped it off, he was like, I ain't gonna front, that smell mad good. He was like, I'm about to go get me some. He was like, I'm about to go get me some on break. On his break. I was like, better hurry. You know the food is best in the morning when it's fresh. I mean, the food is best in the morning when it's fresh. When they make it nice and fresh, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. You gotta be a professional to eat in the car. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be a pro, you know? A lot of these mother humpers can't eat in the car because they don't fit in their cars. They don't fit in their cars. So they gotta like a lot of these mother humpers don't fit in their car. So they gotta like they need to get out their car when they're eating, boy. That's a fact. Word. You know what I'm saying? So what's up, man? Let's talk about something. Let's talk about the Cuban link and Tony Sunshine beef. What is their situation? Why do they got beef with each other? Is it because they roll with Fat Joe still? Why does Tony Sunshine hate Cuban Link? And why does Cuban Link hate Tony Sunshine? I just don't get it. You know what I mean? I just don't get it, B. Cardi B. Vitamin C, baby. It is hot out. You need some of this vitamin C in your system, you know what I mean? That's a fact though. I ain't putting no hot sauce on my food because it's too hot out. It's too hot to put hot sauce on your food. You dig? Just get a little bit of those vitamin C packets. Get it? Shake it up a little. Boom. Should taste like orange juice now. Fact though. Anyway. It is so good. I know y'all jealous. I gotta be jealous. I haven't eaten food like this since the last time I ate my mama's food. You know, whenever I eat my mom's food, I feel like a little kid again. I feel like it's Christmas. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's get back to the topic. Since we're eating Puerto Rican food, let's talk about some Puerto Rican topics. What up with Tony Sunshine and Cuban Link? What's up with they beef? You know what I'm saying? Them two shouldn't have beef. You know, I'm not taking shots at Tony, but I mean, you and Cuban Link can make some good music right now. I don't see Tony Sunshine anywhere. I see Fat Joe everywhere. It don't seem like Fat Joe doing nothing for Tony Sunshine. And I don't mean no disrespect to him, to Fat Joe, but I mean, I wouldn't mind listening to some Tony Sunshine music. I remember he did work with Chris Rivers on a song. I never heard it though. And keep it 100. I never heard the song. Shout out Chris Rivers, man. You know what I mean? I want to know why Chris Rivers still in the hood. Why is Chris Rivers still in the hood? That's a good question. You know what I mean? He's still in the Bronx like K Solo. Warpath moved. Fat Joe moved. My boy East Coast moved. Shout out my boy East Coast. He's locked deep right now. He's locked down. He's in Attica. Shout out my cousin Jose. He's doing like 40. Shout out to John. He's in Rikers Island right now. Shout out to my boy Rico, who's doing 3 years. It's a depressing moment, you know what I mean? Because I got all my dudes hitting me up. It's really sad. When your boys from jail is hitting you up and you can't do nothing to get them out. All you could do is, hook them up with some bread and give them some words of inspiration. You know what I mean? Word. That's all you can do. Word up! I'm almost done with this joint. The last my do-roll. I love my do-rolls. These things never last when they're around me. Yeah, so shout out my brothers locked up. I'm doing what I can to get to y'all. Cause just too many of y'all, man. Too many of y'all getting locked up. For real. Shout out to Raices, Boricua roots. Those beans, that steak, the maduros, amazing. The only thing I didn't like, they didn't put no utensils or napkins. No utensils or napkins. You know what I mean? And I get pissed off when they don't put utensils or napkins. It's a pisser, you know? You know what I'm saying, man? You want some hot sauce? Hot sauce in this heat?
You want some hot sauce in this heat? It's too hot for this crap.
Yeah, man. Alright, man. Let me let you go, man. We got business to take care of, man. I'll see you in the next video, man. Okay, man? Okay? I got more pizza on the way, man. Please, man. Don't be mad at me, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, man. Okay? Don't be a hater, man. Be a subscriber. Be a lover, baby. Because I got more content to come, man. See, look at these great foods that you don't know about. I bring to you, man. Now just Google it. All right, Boricua roots, Raices Boricua. All right, I think it's in Rockville Center, Long Island, something like that. You know what I'm saying? But just Google it. Dope Boricua spot. I give it 2 thumbs up. Yee. Peace.